Hello everyone, and welcome to another demonstration of PTEM, PathWave Test Executive for Manufacturing. If you have not watched the other demos yet, pop over to Keysight Hands-On channel on YouTube and you will find tons of clips for PTEM and the other products as well. Today's video is going to take a look at the watch variable feature in PTEM. Every test plan uses variables in one way or another. And when you are troubleshooting the tests, it is useful to be able to monitor the states of your variables in real time as you step through the test plan. And PTEM's watch variable feature allows you to do just that. The test plan for this demo is to step through a list of integer values and update each one as we go along. And while we are doing that, we can look at the updates taking place using the watch variable panel. If your PTEM editor interface is not showing the watch variable panel, you just need to turn it on from the view menu like this. I've created a test plan with a few variables to get us started. Here I have a few integer variables and also an array that consists of a list of integers, which we will step through later. From here, I can add the variables that I want to watch to the watch panel directly. So in the watch panels over here, we now see the added variables and their current value or states. If I need to add more variables into the watch, I can also do it here on the panel. Next, let me just briefly describe how this test plan works. We have an array loop here, which will be looping through each of the array items. And the array that we will be looping will be the integer array that is created in the test plan. For each loop, the loop count and the array items gets assigned to the loop count and array item variables so that we can monitor them in the watch panel. Now within the loop, every loop will execute an update item step followed by get item and print step. These three steps will write new values into the array items and then read it back and print them out onto the output panel. So by monitoring the variables on the watch panel, we will be able to track the values in the array. Okay, let's start the run. To step through the sequences, I will set a breakpoint here at the update item step so that the array loop will pause at this step and then we can step through the rest of them slowly. Let's start the run and the execution will pause at the first step in the array loop. We are currently in loop number 1 and the update step here will write the new value to the first index position of the array. Now we can click on the pause button to step through the sequences. So we just executed the update step and it has replaced the first item in the array with a new value. We can see here in the watch panel that the new value for the first item is now changed to 11. The next step is to read back the value and place it into the updated item variable. Now you see that the updated item variable has changed to 11 as well. And finally, the last step for the loop is to print the values of all the variables out to the output panel, like this. So if we continue to step through the loop, we can see the values of the array and the variables updating in real time on the watch panel. Alright, that's the end of the run. Hope you have a good idea now on how you can use watch variables feature when you troubleshoot your test plan. That's all for this demo. Thank you for watching and don't forget to check out the other videos on the Keysight Hands-On channel in YouTube. Remember to like the clips and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, stay healthy and stay safe.